Is your iCloud storage almost full but you don't want to upgrade your plan yet? One quick way to free up space is by finding and removing duplicate photos and videos. Your iPhone 17 can also merge duplicate files, so you keep the best version while removing the extras. Here's how to delete or merge duplicate photos and videos in iCloud Photos on the iPhone 17 series. First, open Settings, then tap Your Name at the top. Next, tap iCloud. Under the Saved to iCloud section, tap Photos. Once you're in the iCloud Photos menu, tap Manage Storage. To continue, tap Review Photos and Videos. This is where you'll see the Duplicates folder. Tap it to view all duplicate photos and videos in your iCloud account. To manage duplicates, tap Select, then tap to mark the desired files. Once selected, tap Delete at the bottom right edge, and then tap Delete Photo from the pop-up window to confirm. To merge duplicates, select all duplicate files you want to merge, then tap Merge at the bottom of the screen. Read the pop-up message, then tap Merge Exact Copies to confirm. Alternatively, you can merge and delete duplicate photos and videos straight from the iPhone 17 Photos app. To do this, open the Photos app. Tap Albums, then scroll down until you see the Utilities section. Tap Duplicates to view photos and videos that iOS has identified as duplicates. Here, you'll see matching items grouped together. To merge duplicates, tap Merge next to a group of duplicate photos or videos. When the confirmation message appears, tap Merge Exact Copies to proceed. Your iPhone will keep one best version of the file and combine relevant data such as captions, edits, and metadata. The extra copies will be moved to the recently deleted folder, where they will remain for 30 days before being permanently removed. Repeat the same steps to delete or merge other duplicate photos and videos in your library. And that's it! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Also, consider watching our other videos to learn more useful iPhone features you can use every day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.